Hello guys, welcome back to my video, and today is the 20th of June 2026, and we have the BMX race route to BMX GP. The TMAX race is already over, and yeah, just a quick update that I will be flying there next week. So I see all my Philippine friends soon. Hopefully this video goes out before I go there, because by the time I'm there, I'll make more video from there. Okay, anyway, so today's BMX race, I forgot what number. See the title description. And as always, we are going to go through the track layout, go through my car. I'm going to share my setup this time. What are my thought process like this for the layout, and hopefully you guys learn something. So if you like to see more of these kind of videos, please, you know what to do. Press the like button down there, press the subscribe button, and share with your friends so we can get more videos like this in the future. Okay? So I'll see you. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so we start off the track layout, and this is a starting point. And then you hit with the first corner, and then a lot of straights, and then another corner with two chickens over here, and then a U-turn, and then jump two, and then you hit with a down two piece, with another corner, short corner, with a dragon back two piece, then U-turn over there, another up two piece, U-turn, and then down two piece, the corner, and then another up two piece over here, corner, and then 20 degrees bank up, and then you're going down two piece over here, corner to another 20 degrees bank, and then you corner here, corner, back to the lane changer, and then back to the finishing line. Right, so there you have the track layout. It's a semi-tech kind of layout, perfect for BMX, I guess, because BMX typically don't jump so well compared to open class. You're gonna expect to see a lot of fast races. So for this kind of layout, right, jump to, what you guys need to do is focus on your braking. But because there's a banks, right, you don't want to delay too much on the bank, so make sure your braking is on point plus your bank is clear. Other than that, the only major dead zones that you will find is probably the lane changer and the first jump to right after the starting point, because that's where you have faced a lot of flats, and then you will slingshot up to the two slopes, two pieces. Okay, so catching the action. I want to catch some actions of people running, and then we'll catch back and update later on my cars, at least what I do to do. Or maybe I do some test runs of my cars, and then I show you my setup. Okay, see you.
fire burning through. Every word I scream is true. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm running on rage, can't silence my veins. Every scar's a reminder of carrying pain. No chains can hold me, no fear in my chest. I bleed for the broken, I fight with the rest. This vow I keep inside. For you I will not hide. I'll stand for you, I'll bleed for you. Every step I take, I'm pushing through. In fire and rain, I won't let go. My voice remains, let the whole world know. Yeah. Rising from dust, I'm tearing the ground. Every scream in my throat is a war cry sound. No mercy in sight, no time to pretend. I'll fight till the last breath, fight to the end. Though I won't betray, for you I'll light the way. My soul will never stray. I'll stand for you, I'll bleed for you. Every step I take, I'm pushing through. In fire and rain, I won't let go. My voice remains, let the whole world know. Burning through, burning through. Every heartbeat speaks the truth. Feel the fire burning through. Every word I scream is true. Yeah, no silence, no peace, just fury inside. No limits, no breaks, I won't be denied. From ashes to steel, my spirit won't fade. A vow that was spoken, a promise I made. I'll stand for you, I'll bleed for you. Every step I take, I'm pushing through. I'll stand for you, I'll bleed for you. Every step I take, I'm pushing through. In fire and rain, I won't let go. My voice remains, let the whole world know. Burning through, every heartbeat speaks the truth. Burning through, forever I fight for you.
Alright, so that's the end of my practice. I think I have enough lah. So basically I was running one setup throughout the entire practice. As you can see from my videos. I mean, you can just rewind back to check out. So at the beginning of the test, right, I keep either I'm either too slow or I'm too fast, means I cannot control the jumps over, and it keeps cost out. So I made minor changes, and then towards the middle, I keep flying out with the lane changer, and then I made some strategies to counter the lane changes. And finally, at the end, is I decided to focus a lot on the acceleration of the car. So my car would accelerate as fast as possible whenever it's land on a track. So here's the car setup that I was playing. So this will be my thumbnail for today. Okay, so this car is still the same one that I've been showcasing throughout my journey in this hobby. It's still the double sliding setup, front sliding and rear sliding. So this time what's different is that I'm using double roller front and plastic ring on the right side and aluminum on the left side. No particular reason. I forgot why I changed this, but since it works, I'm not going to change for now. So maybe I'll change when I think about why I did this in the future. So anyway, as I was saying, towards the end, towards the middle, I keep flying out on the lane changes, and then I have to do some setup changes in order to pass lane changer. So if you guys have lane changer issues, right, just remember the Formula One style. Slow in, fast out. What it means is that all lane changes are the same. They are always hitting on the right wall first, and then you exit on the left wall. So you want to enter slowly and then exit quickly. So what this means is that we want a more grip angle on the right side of the car, and then the left side you can remain default if it can remain stable. Sometimes if you add an under roller, it works. So basically for my car, I did just that. I On my right side, this is my right side. On my right side of the car is I create a little bit more angle, and then on the left side I added an under roller here. So this helps to pass the lane changer when entering, and then when they exit, it grips on the under roller and help me guide it back into the track. So if you want to absolutely follow this idea, especially if you're running sliding setup like me, right, you would need to find some angle chips like this. These are relatively expensive nowadays. I have them for all the years that I've been playing, so that's why I have some of these. If not, you can just use the plastic ones. They work fine, except that they are not as durable as the metal ones that I'm using right here. So how you mount it is that under the roller, or rather, really, under the plate, you mount the angle chip, and then on top of the plate, you mount another angle chip, which will make the whole screw angle 2 degrees forward. So this plate is resting on the car's default chase angle, which is 5 degrees, if I'm not wrong. And you add another 2, which is 7 degrees. So technically speaking, 7 degrees is more than enough to pass lane changer at this kind of speeds. Of course, we're not talking about Italian super speed where you have to employ some kind of wall break idea. But for most speed tech, you can try this idea to add more angle. Oh yeah, and also speaking of which, I have to put the 13 on the top because this is sitting higher on the track. So if grip the track first, help you guide it back down, and then you pass the lane changer, and then here's the under roller, and then you exit out. So hope you learned something this time. Yeah, don't forget, just share to your friends. I'm sure many people have lane changer problems. So I'm gonna take a break right now. The next part of the video will probably be my next update on the situation of the race, and then I'll see how far I'm went into this round. Catch you next later. See ya. All right, so now it's my break time, and I finish my round 1 slots. I have a good game today, bro, because 2 of my chassis broke. So the first one broke is this one. This one comes from the red one that you watched earlier that I was practicing. And what broke is this hole here. So this hole, the bearing hole broke through the chassis. So after that, when it broke through, right, the whole orange gear broke. Let me see if I still have the pieces. Yeah, it's really here. See. So this is the broken pieces. You see the gear here. It's the orange gear. And this is what's left in the shaft originally. I never broke my gear before like this, so it must be really a very, very hard impact. But however, my propeller is perfectly fine. So I just transferred to a new chassis, but as new chassis always go, it's always very you don't know its attitude yet, so it takes time. And then the second car was this one. Okay, this one comes from my green color car. I didn't show it to you, but anyways, what happened is that my 2-point stay at the rear here, it bent, so it's kind of like angle up. So I have to I have to dismantle and redo lah. So I kind of waste time today to do 2 cars during my test practice time. Key takeaway lah, you really need to. I mean, if you are on a very competitive racing, I know a lot of people say just play the carbon FM, but carbon FM is just not my style. You know, it's not the chassis I like, or rather, it's not the chassis I want to invest my time in. So it's okay. Racing is like this. Breakages happens. They already just do what you need to do lah. Okay. So right now I only have 2 slots to the next round with my repack machine, and hopefully I get at least one. I just need one, you know. Sometimes just need one to go to the top 9. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. If I don't win my 2 slots, means this will be the end of the video. Hopefully there's more. See ya.
Come on, pilot! Use this.